Finding ULS unit pre-tests and post-tests. Hi, it's me, Miss Miles. Thanks for stopping by. Miles Ahead SpEd. I gave everyone access to what I use for the ULS unit pre-tests and post-tests, and a lot of people were like, where do you find that? So that's what we're doing today. All right, log on, go on ULS, news to you, whatever you want to call it, okay? But get on. Go to your sidebar. All right, here's the sidebar. All right, click ULS, and then it's going to take you to NY2 GPS. That's what you need. Once you click NY2 GPS, it will take you to students. So get to students. The first student on your roster in ABC order is going to appear. Ta-da! Look at all that it has under the student. You're going for checkpoints, unit checkpoints. Click it. Now that you clicked it, administer checkpoints. And look, all of it, unit 1 through 10. So we're on unit 1 because it's orange and it says pre-test. And that's an orange. So that's what we're looking at first. So we click that. And there we go. And it takes us down to what ways. I want to do student view. And then you have to put the student's name in to get it started. Click that. And that's when it's ready to go. Obviously, if you make a mistake, you can remove it and you're ready. So the student will log on and they're ready to take the pre-test. They can't take the post-test until they're done with the pre-test. You will follow the exact same steps for the post-test as you did for the pre-test. The only difference is that you will click on post-test instead of pre-test. Got it? Good. Now, if you want to look at a student's scores, you're going to go under student's name again, like you've been. Go to unit checkpoints, which you will find under the student's name. Click it, obviously, and ta-da! This is last year. Look, these are his scores, and it has the pre and post tests. There's colors, green, yellow, red, tells you how they're doing. I'm not going to go into all that with you, but once we go back up, it shows us how they scored in the beginning and at the end of each unit. This is just for the unit overall test. You could do reading, math, and all that. I just do an overall unit test. And I like to see if they've improved or not. It's awesome when you see like improvement in your student. And you'll see that. Print this out at the end of the year too. I like just to see where my students are for each unit as we go. And then once they're done with it all, I go under each student, look them up, and write down their scores. And so I have my whole class on one piece of paper. And I see if they increased or decreased in scores and see where they're at. So, ta-da! Hope you enjoyed. But that's how I find it.